Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bansi. Here is my another review video. So this brand name is Rosalind. This is very famous and international brand. They give me very amazing products. You can see them. 6 gel nail pens, magical remover, cuticle oil and cuticle softener, grit buffer, eco shiner and grit file, rainbow cuticle nipper, rainbow triangle head gel remover, rainbow cuticle pusher, nail cuticle fork, yellow one is nail separator, and the cute brush called as dust cleaning brush. This is my Instagram feed, and I also mention Rosalind's Instagram link in my description box, so check it out. They have very amazing collection. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates, and follow me on Instagram. I am using this nail polish. I made French nail tips without any nail tools. This is gel nail paint, so you can dry them in UV LED light or sunlight. So you can see the result of this. Next nail art is also French nail tips. I use golden glitter for nail tips. Visit my description box or my Insta Reels caption. This link is also mentioned in my description box. You can check them because I mention all products name and their set number, so you can find it easily if you want to buy them. See, this red glitter is very pretty. I love it so much. I hope you are enjoying my nail arts. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then subscribe fast guys for more videos and more nail arts. Now I am using rainbow triangle head gel remover. It is very useful for remove our gel nail pens easily. Thank you so much Rosalind for your products. I really love them. So guys, I want to suggest you that you can try their products. They are very good and helpful for our nails too. Thanks again for watching guys. Bye bye. Take care.